I review a lot of tech on this channel, and usually it's something that directly impacts your creative output, like a camera or a microphone. But every once in a while, I find a piece of gear that doesn't make your videos better, but it gives you more time to make videos. And recently, I reviewed my newest vacuum mop, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X11 OMNICYCLONE, and a lot of you watched that video. Apparently, we all have messy floors. But like all of my reviews, the real test to me is not in week 1 or even week 2. It's a month or two later when the novelty wears off and you see what actually works. So I have not vacuumed my floors in about 3 months. And that has given me back about 30 hours to make more videos, spend more time with my kids, instead of doing household chores. So I want to tell you more about what's gotten better, what surprised me, and the one thing that changed my workflow that I didn't even see coming in that first review. This video is sponsored by Ecovacs, and they're currently offering a Black Friday discount. So if you've been on the fence since that first video, this is the follow-up that might actually matter. So I don't usually do long-term follow-up reviews unless something significant changes. Either I discover something new, my opinion changes, or I want to validate my experience. And in the case of this robot vacuum, it's the latter. As a creator, I try to optimize everything. I'll spend hours researching the perfect gimbal, debating lens sharpness, fine-tuning the audio of my video, but I completely ignore things that silently eat my time, like household maintenance or cleaning. The invisible things that keep me from actually creating. So when I found something that actually gives me back hours every week, hours that I'm now spending on actual creative work, then yeah, I need to make a follow-up video about it. Because if you're serious about making more content, you need to eliminate what doesn't matter so you can focus on the things that do. So a quick recap for those who didn't watch the first video, I tested the DEEBOT X11 for about 2 weeks. I mapped the floors of my house, I tested the obstacle detection, I compared the suction to my old robot, I checked out the bagless system. So my conclusion was basically, yeah, this thing cleans really well. It's expensive, but it's really capable. It's a pretty standard review. But that was after 2 weeks. Here's what I didn't tell you in that video because I didn't know it yet. What it's actually like to live with it for 3 months. In that first review, I didn't talk about this, but 3 months ago, my mornings look like this. Wake up, get the kids out the door, glance at the floors that were inevitably messy after breakfast, and add clean the house to my mental to-do list every single day. So I wasn't just losing hours to cleaning, I was losing mental energy just thinking about cleaning. And that's a load that I didn't realize I was carrying until it was gone. Now, several months later, at 8:30 a.m., I'm in the car taking my son to school, and with just one tap on my phone, the robot starts cleaning my house, and I drive away. Better yet, I could even schedule the vacuum to run a cleaning cycle at the same time every day, but there are some variables in my schedule that sometimes change, so I haven't quite gotten to that level yet, but that's optimally where I want to be. But still, that mental weight of thinking, I need to clean the house, it used to loop through my head all day. And after this, it just stopped. It's like having a teammate that I didn't know that I needed. And so my house is getting cleaned while I'm literally doing something else. And that's something you can't evaluate very well in a 2-week review. You have to live with it to understand how it changes your routine. Here's another thing I didn't expect when I first made that video. During my first couple weeks of testing, cleaning took about 48 minutes, sometimes even an hour, which might be a bit on the slow side because the robot was still figuring out the space. A couple months later, it's doing the exact same cleaning routine, but it's a lot faster. It's taking on average about 37 minutes because it learned my layout and optimized the path. So in my first review, I just said it cleans really well. Now I'm saying it learns and it adapts, which is a totally different product experience. So let me tell you what I got right in that first video, because some of my initial positive impressions held up after 3 months. The cleaning performance is still noticeably better than my last robot. The blast suction technology that I mentioned back then still feels stronger 3 months later. In an environment where I'm constantly moving things around, my kids are coming in and out of the house, this matters a lot. And also that bagless OmniCyclone system that I praised, I no longer have to spend money buying bags and remembering to reorder them, so that's a huge plus. And the obstacle detection that I tested, in my first review, I said that TruePass adaptive four-wheel drive handles cables and obstacles really well. And 3 months later, when there are often toys and random objects being left behind by my kids, the robot is still navigating around them and rolling over all those things without getting stuck. So those are the positive impressions that have held up. There are a few less than positive things that I also want to follow up on. First is the noise that the X11 makes after it's done cleaning. When it's cleaning, it's a pretty pleasant noise. It's not terribly disruptive, but after it's done cleaning, it goes through some maintenance that can be a bit jarring at times. So in my first video, I likened the noise to an espresso machine, and I think that's still the case. It sounds a lot like an espresso maker, coffee maker to me. Totally giving me coffee maker vibes. But that jarring noise is the pure cyclone system when it's blasting the dustbin clean. It's really powerful, which is a good thing, but that does mean that it's a little loud.
Let's start washing the roller mop with hot water.
Now, luckily, the noise doesn't last very long, but it's something to be aware of. Don't schedule a Zoom call during that time. And maybe prepare your kids or your pets for that sound, because my youngest can get a little scared when he hears it. Also, the water tanks that I mentioned in the first review, they're still on the smaller side, so the dirty tank needs to be dumped out more often, and the clean one needs to be refilled, but now I've gotten into that rhythm. Other than that, I haven't had to do any other maintenance or replace any parts, so the self-cleaning station really does handle most of the heavy lifting. So here's what I actually learned after 3 months. Using a robot vacuum like this isn't just about cleaning performance. It's about freeing up your creative capacity. As human beings, we have a limited amount of mental energy every day, and every small task, even the quick ones, takes up a little bit of that energy. Vacuuming used to only take me about 20 minutes per day, but just thinking about vacuuming, noticing the mess, adding it to my mental to-do list, that was all draining creative energy that I could have been using for actual work. So when people ask, is a $1,000 robot vacuum worth it? I think that's the wrong question. I think the real question is, what is it worth to have one less thing draining your creative energy? Because I haven't had to think about vacuuming in about 3 months since I first made that video. That mental space went back into creative work, and honestly, that's the best gear upgrade I have made this year. If you're thinking about getting one, right now is the best time. This X11 OMNICYCLONE is about $500 off for Black Friday. So it's $1,000 instead of $1,500, but only from November 20th to December 1st. There's a link in the description, and if you get one, let me know how it changes your workflow, if it's anywhere close to how it's changed mine, because I'm genuinely curious if other people have had the same experiences that I did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.